Hello. So in today's video, we'll be solving question 15 on the GCSE Maths Foundation Paper 1 paper. It's a non-calculator paper, so we will not be using our calculator. Feel free to pause the video and give it a go. So in this question, it says that Tessa recorded the times that 15 adults took to complete a run. She showed her results in a stem and leaf diagram. So first of all, we need to understand what a stem and leaf diagram is. So it's just a way of recording statistics. So what it does is that the stem has the first number or first numbers, and then the leaf has the second number or second numbers, but it helps to put values in an somewhat easier to read / interpret way. So if you've got 4/5, as it says in the key here, that means 45. So if you've got 4/6, that means 46. If you've got 4/7, it means 47. If you have a bigger number like 108, for example, so if you have the numbers 108, 109, 110, if you were to write this in the stem and leaf diagram, you would probably put the 10 on this side, and then put an 8, put a 9, and then for 11 you'd put the 0 here. So it makes more sense for you to put the first 2 digits in the stem rather than put the last 2 digits, because it kind of defeats the purpose if it's done that way, and it just makes it harder to read. So what you do is put the first 2 digits in the stem and then put the second digit in the leaf, which makes it easier to read. So just going back to our question, we've got the number 45, 49. So I'm just going to write all of these numbers out just to kind of explain the fact that they've already put it into a stem and leaf diagram for you. So you could have a question that tells you to fill in the stem and leaf diagram, for example, but here they've already done it for you. They just want you to find the median and the range in part A and part B. So I'm just going to write it all out so it makes sense. So the first 2 you've got is 5 and 9 and 4. So 4, take the first number, that's 45. Take the second number, that's 49. Go to the next one, take the first number, that's 53. Take the second number, that's 57. Take the third one, 58. And it goes on like that. So you can pause the video and give this a go. But this is how it will look if you were to write out all the numbers. Yeah, so this is the whole point of the diagram. Once again, is just to put all the numbers in a table so it's easier to read, easier to interpret. So part A says to find the median. So we know that the median is the middle number. So I know I've got in the numbers written out here, but we're going to try it with the stem and leaf diagram, and then we'll try it with the numbers I've written out just to make sure you fully understand. So if we are taking out the medians, it means the middle number, so we could just cross out numbers from the first and the last and then just keep going in that way. So if we take out the 5 from 45, take out a 9 for 49, and you take out 2 here, 81, 77. If we take out another 2, so we could take out 53 and 57. And here we could take out 76 and 72. Take out another 2, so that's 58 and 67. And take out 61, 67, 54, 52. So you have 64 here as your median. If we were to try that again with the numbers we've got here, just take it out from the bottom. So we just take out 1, 1, 1, 1, and you just keep going until you get to the middle and you have 64 here as your answer. Yeah, so the next one says to find the range. We know that the range is the biggest number, take the smallest number. So it's the biggest number minus the smallest number. The biggest number here is 81, just like we wrote here. And here the smallest number is 45. So we've got it here. So if we did 81 take 45, it's a non-calculator paper. So if you just work it out here, your answer will be 36. So you've got 36 minutes, and that's 2 marker. And then the last bit of the question says, Tessa also recorded the times that 15 children took to complete the run. For the children, the median was 75 minutes. Compare the times that the adults took with the times that the children took. So the median number for the children was 75 minutes, and the median time here for the adults was 64 minutes. So the median time was greater for the children, as 75 is greater than 64. So you could just say the median time was greater for the children. And that is how to get 4 marks on the GCSE Maths Foundation Paper 1 paper. As the GCSEs are fast approaching, we are offering tutoring sessions. If you do have any inquiries, do follow the link in the description box and fill out the form.